To avoid corona, wash your hands, wear a face covering, maintain social distancing. While you are sneezing or coughing, cover your mouth, protect yourself from corona.
Namaste parents. Hello children. Welcome to maths class. In today's maths class, I am going to do mathematics practice book page number 40 and 41. This is also word problem children. Shanti has 15 balls. She gave 5 balls to her sister. How many balls are left with Shanti now? See, 15 is the first number, 5 is the second number. Here, this is ones place and this is tens place. For the first number,
draw quantity.
For ones place, we have to draw circles. Here, 5 is in ones place, draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 is in tens place, draw line. Circles for ones place number, lines for tens place number. We have to draw only for first number because this is subtraction. Here we have to cancel 5 because 5 is the second number. 15 minus 5. 15 is the first number. We are drawing a quantity here and 5 is the second number. We have to cancel that. Here you have to cancel 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In tens place nothing is there, no cancellation. So in ones place all circles are cancelled, means 0, and in tens place one line left, write 1. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Next one, there were 19 eggs in a shop. The shopkeeper sold 10 eggs. How many eggs are left now? Here 19 is the first number, 10 is the second number. This is ones place, this is tens place. We have to take quantity for the first number. Here we have to draw quantity for the first number, 9 ones. So 9 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In tens place 1 is there, draw one line. Now we will cancel the second number. In ones place 0. 0 means nothing, no cancellation. In tens place 1 is there, you have to cancel 110. 110 we cancel. Now we left with ones. Count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 circles because here we didn't done any cancellation. In tens nothing is there, so 0. 19 minus 10 is equal to 9. Next one. A child had 28 cards. She gave 7 to her mother. How many cards are left with the child? Here 28 is the first number. 7 is the second number. This is ones place, this is tens place. We have to draw quantity for the first number. 8 ones and 2 tens. 8 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 tens means 2 lines. 1, 2. And 7 is the second number. Cancel 7 circles because it is in ones place. Cancel 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In tens, nothing is there, so no cancellation. Now we left with one circle, means 1 in ones place, and 2 tens. 2 in tens place. 28 minus 7 is equal to 21. Next, there were 24 birds sitting on a tree. 12 flew away. How many birds are left? 24 is the first number. 12 is the second number. Yes. Here we have to draw 4 circles because 4 is in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 is in tens place. Draw 2 lines. Second number is 12. We have to cancel 2 circles. 1, 2 and in tens place 1 is there. Cancel 1 10. Now we left with 2 ones and 1 10. 24 minus 12 is equal to 12. Next main, subtract and write the answers. 3 minus 2. First number in the mind, open 2 fingers. 3 before, 2, 1. 1 is the answer. Next 7 minus 6. 7 in the mind, open 6 fingers. 7 before, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 is the answer. Next 2 is home assignment. Now we move on to next page. Page number 41. The same type of problems are there here also. There were 26 ants. 16 ants walk away. How many ants are there now? 26 is the first number. 16 is the second number. This is ones, this is tens. Now draw quantity for the first number. Here 6 is there. Draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In tens place 2 is there. Draw 2 lines. Now cancel 16 in that quantity. In 6 is there in ones place. Cancel 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In tens place 1 line you have to cancel. Now we left with, in ones place nothing is there, 0. In tens 1 is there, 110. 26 minus 16 is equal to 10. Next problem. My father bought 29 potatoes from the market. My mother cooked 12 potatoes. How many potatoes are left now? 28. 9 is the first number. 12 is the second number. This is ones, this is tens. We have to draw 29 quantities. 9 is in one place. Draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 is in tens place. 1, 2. Cancel 12 from that. Here 2 is in ones place. 2 circles you have to cancel. 1, 2. 1 is in tens place. 1 line. The remaining quantity is, count the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and in tens place 1. 29 minus 12 is equal to 17. Next, there were 38 cookies in a jar. 38 is the first number. Ravi and his friends ate 10 cookies. How many are left now? 38 is the first number, 10 is the second number. First draw ones and tens. Here 38 quantities you have to draw. 8 ones means 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 3 in tens place 3 lines 1, 2, 3. Second number is 10. 0 in ones place nothing. You should not cancel any circles. 1 is in tens place, cancel only one line. Now we left with 8 as it is there. Write 8 in tens place, 2 lines left, write 2 tens. 38 minus 10 is equal to 28. Next one, there were 45 books in a shelf. Seema moved 12 books. How many books are there now? First number is 45, second number is 12. This is ones, this is tens. We have to draw 45. Quantity means 5 circles, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4 tens, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. From that we have to cancel 12. 2 is in ones place, cancel 2 circles. 1 is in tens place, cancel 1 10. Now we left with 1, 2, 3. 3 ones, 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. 45 minus 12 is equal to 33. Next may subtract and write the answers. 5 minus 2. 5 is in the mind, 2 is in the finger. 5 before is 4, 3. 8 minus 2. 8 is in the mind, 2 is on the finger. 8 before, 7, 6. These two are home assignment. Complete it in home. Complete the page number 40 and 41 in mathematics practice book. Thank you.